Friends, today we are going to learn a very important topic in Excel which is called as dynamic borders in Excel. To understand dynamic borders in Excel better, we will use the food sales data of some cities in US and we will try to put borders in the usual way which we are doing. Normally when we have to put data to a border to a data set, what we do is we select the set of data irrespective of how small or how large is the set of data. Then we go to Home tab and then select on borders and then all borders to get the set of data bordered. Now the problem with this method of bordering the data set is that this is not dynamic in nature. What do I mean here by not dynamic in nature is, suppose I want to add another row which is say 5th of March 2020. I want to add East, say East, it is New York. New York, I am saying snacks, say snacks, chips, and then quantity 10, 20, and this is 200, and there is no border here. Similarly, if I add 10 March 20 North East Wales bars Another problem with this usual way of bordering is, suppose I don't need this particular row, or say last 4 rows are to be removed, then suppose if I remove these 4 rows, the border still remains, whereas I wanted the data set till row 18 with the borders, and there should have been, once the data is removed, the border should also have got removed. This means that this is not the dynamic way of bordering a data set. Now let us try the way we want to add dynamic border to any Excel data sheet. For that, we will select the whole sheet by clicking on the leftmost corner of the Excel sheet. This will select the whole Excel sheet. Then we go to conditional formatting and make a new rule by clicking on the new rule tab. We click on use a formula to determine which cell to format, like this, and then the format values where this formula is true, we will click over here and then click on the A1 cell in the Excel sheet. Now just to apply the formula to the whole sheet, I will remove here the dollar symbol like this, and then for every non-empty row I will let which is not equal to, this is the symbol, less than and greater than together is the symbol for not equal to, and then we will put open inverted and close inverted, so that this indicates a blank cell, which is not a blank cell. I will add a format over here like this, border outline, so that it will create a border, and then I will click OK, and then further OK. Now this sheet is having the settings of dynamic border. Now say supposing I want here serial number to be added, so I am putting a serial number heading and then say names. Now you will see that both the cells which I have recently added have got bordered. Supposing now I put in serial number 1 here, then 2 here, then 3 here, then 4 here, and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. And you will see that all the rows which I have just now added are dynamically bordered, each and every cell. Say I will now add some names, Amitabh, Sonali, Rakhi, Virat, Rohit, Akshay, Shilpa, Salma, Zeenat, and say Parveen. And you will see that all these cells which I have added have been bordered automatically. This is what we call it as dynamic borders in Excel. And since we have selected the whole sheet, now wherever I write anything, say I am writing here, it will get bordered automatically. Now another advantage of dynamic border is that if I remove a particular cell content, the border will also go away. Say supposing I remove this particular row, 10th row, and then you will find that the border has automatically gone. Say again I add 10 here and I add another name, say Rahul, and it will have a border again. So this is the advantage of dynamic border in Excel. Friends, I hope you have liked this Excel trip, which is a very useful trip. If you have liked the trick, please like the video and subscribe the channel to get continuous updates on various tricks on Excel. Thank you very much for watching.